5 seconds. A full bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in the case Harbans Singh versus State of Punjab reported in AIR 1987. Punjab and Haryana 19 considered the question of bar in view of the judgment of the Supreme Court in Gopal Krishna Manson's case AIR 1983 SC 1053. In a well-considered judgment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, the full bench in paragraph 9 noted that the controversy about the scope of section 195(1)(c) of the old code was not of new origin and existed even in the old code, relying upon a full bench judgment of this court in the case of Imperial versus Khushal Pal Singh reported in AIR 1931 Allahabad 443. It was observed that taking a through view, the Allahabad High Court had interpreted section 195 of the old code and had observed that the bar applied only to those cases where the offences mentioned in that section were committed by a party as such to a proceeding in any court in respect of a document which had been produced or given in evidence in such proceedings and committed by a party to any proceeding in courts meant committed by a person who was already a party to the proceeding and not by anyone, and if an offence had already been committed by a person who did not become a party till 30 years after the commission of the offence, it could not be said to have been committed by a party within the meaning of clause C first of section 195 of the old code. The full bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court also noted the views of the Supreme Court in the cases of Patel Lalaji Bhai Soma Bhai versus State of Gujarat AIR 1971 SC 1935 Supra Mohanlal versus State of Rajasthan AIR 1974 SC 299 Legal Reimburser Government of West Bengal versus Haridas Mundra AIR 1976 SC 2225 and observed in paragraph 12 as follows. We have been taken though all the cases of the Supreme Court and the other High Court which have been referred in the judgments quoted above. We have also considered the detailed arguments advanced by all the learned counsel who have appeared in this case and have heard their respective submissions. It may not be necessary to reassess the points raised by respective counsel with reference to the case which have been cited by them separately before us, but we confine this judgment only to such aspects of some of these cases which in our view were explicitly necessary to answer the question referred to us in a clear way. However, before considering these cases, it would also be relevant to consider the effect of omission of the words by a party to any proceeding from section 195 as that would to a large extent settle the controversy raised before this bench. In this respect, after considering the object and reason of the amendment as mentioned in the Law Commission's report quoted above, we find ourselves to be in agreement with the view taken by honorable judges of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in the case of Harbans Singh AIR 1987 Punjab and Haryana 19 FB Supra and hold that the amendment or deletion of the words was to extend the scope and benefit of section 195(1)(b) second in the new code to witness also and not merely to the party to proceedings as was mentioned in the old code.